we're done. We're empty off at Milton Keynes, so we're going to pull off the bay and get the back doors done up, and then we'll be on our way to Tonbridge in Kent, the other side of the Dartford crossing. Right, let's go get the doors done. Must have left it in drive. That's it. Let's go back neutral. Woohoo! Beautiful day. Look at that. Nice it is. Right, let's get these back doors done. None of it. That was stiff, wasn't it? I think it's because we're on a slope as well. Put the back doors a little bit out of line. Nice. Right, folks, let's get out of here. Dear me. Let's go. Let's go, go, go. Right, we'll catch you. We'll get the view once we head over the Dartford Bridge crossing. View over the River Thames and that. So just approaching the Dartford crossing, going from Essex to Kent. It's the old the QE2 Elizabeth Bridge. It's coming up to the slip road for it, or the junction for it now. Bridge built in 1991. Beautiful sunny day, sun's still out, and we're going to have a look up the river, up towards London and the east direction, up towards Isle of Grain, Thames Portway. Four-lane section it is as you go over the top. Approaching it up now. Got underneath there, you've got the HS1 high speed link running from Kent up through into London and beyond. Looking out on the riverside, it goes up towards Grain now, Thamesport. Boat out there at the moment, just going out. 2 cobble freight boats in there at the docks at Purfleet, being offloaded. And up in the distance there you can see all the high-rise buildings, possibly Canary Wharf, central London, heading up the River Thames there. Pretty much at the highest point now. The old boat shipping out there, you can see that one. Start to rise down the other side of the bridge, coming into Kent from Essex. Construction work going on, I don't know what's going on now. Probably building more warehouses and stuff. Here we come to the bottom of the other side of the bridge. I guess we're probably around 35 minutes, half hour away from delivery at Tunbridge, or just outside Tunbridge. Got to keep in this lane, because the other left lane there goes off up for the A2. So we're going to continue on the 25. Still on a 4-lane stretch of the highway. Shortly the left lane there will go off and we'll be back to 3 lanes. Then it widens out again back to 4. So we're about a mile away from our delivery here in just outside Tunbridge. Out on the back roads, the A228. God knows what this place is going to be like. We've just got 1 pallet to get offloaded. And then we can head on back towards the Sidcup near Dartford for our final delivery. Got the wing mirror pulled in a bit because it's a bit tight with trucks coming in the opposite direction. Don't want to be catching the mirrors or nothing. To the left-hand bend here, and then the place should come up on our left-hand side. That's great. No left turn unsuitable for HGVs. Well, that's where my delivery is. So I've got no choice. Unsuitable for HGVs, but I've got to go in there. That's where my delivery place is. Nice. Well, we've got coming up here. I don't fancy this. But it's going to be a goddamn swine of a place to get into. Just 1 pallet, small little cycling shop. We'll see. was getting a little bit worried about these places. I know I've been driving for some time, but probably just have to take it as it comes. We'll get there and suss it out once we arrive. So there's somewhere you can turn as well. Tight place, no one gives way. Here we are, yeah, cool. Now I've got to suss out where this place is, isn't it? It's ridiculous, man. It's telling me it's here somewhere, but oh, there was nothing there to say. Yeah, here we are. No, service station. Not a great place then, is it? Telling me where it was and then we're like nowhere near the place. Right folks, we're going to have to suss this out at the moment. Yeah, so we've done the delivery. There's a small little shop here at 5 Oak Green just outside Tunbridge on a B road, quite narrow. I had to go another couple of miles further up the road before I could find somewhere to turn and come back. We've done the delivery. There's a little place here on the right hand side just next to the corner shop in this village. So we got it done. There's only like 8 boxes on one pallet, so I handballed it off out the back doors, and we're just finishing our break off and we're ready to rock and roll shortly up to our last and final delivery over in Sidcup near Dartford. Woohoo! We're done, we're finished, all our deliveries complete. Awesome, man. 1:30 in the afternoon UK time, and we're just about to leave, exit. So it's pretty awesome. So we may even we're just waiting to see where the reload is now, and can't wait. We should be able to get that on, especially if it's Erith in southeast London, just on the edges of Kent now. So I'm just going to wait for that, and in the meantime I'm going to exit and head that sort of direction, but not too far, and then park and wait to see what we get. So yo, here we are then. We're just having a quick break, I think a well-deserved one at the truck stop, Chelmsford BP Services. Just popped in, had myself pop into Mackie D's, just had a Smarty McFlurry and a really nice large big thick strawberry shake. So yeah, we had that. It's the first time in over a year actually I popped into McDonald's or been in there and got something. So yeah, it's awesome. So we got done, no reloads. We just empty all the way back into Harwich up there in North Essex. So we're going to get the trailer dropped over and swapped. So yeah, that's about it. That's 2 days of running. So thank you very much for watching, subscribing, and if you enjoyed, tell all your friends and family. So this is Spikey Trucking, first time with the GoPro, and we'll catch you very soon. Take care now. Peace.